Cases slowing down in parts of the province. Ontario is forcing tighter restrictions on 7 regions, including both York and Windsor-Essex. Both of these regions are to enter into lockdowns as of Monday. More details on that just ahead. But first, the long-awaited COVID-19 vaccines are on their way to Canada, with Ontario expecting 6,000 by Monday. The province saying it's ready.
This is V-4. 4 days to vaccination day, which is Tuesday in 2 centers.
2 hospitals, one in Toronto and another in Ottawa, each getting 3,000 doses of the Pfizer vaccine that will be traveling from Belgium through the U.S. before touching ground in Ontario. Each person will require 2 doses 3 weeks apart.
We are ready to start vaccinations on Tuesday.
But who exactly will be rolling up their sleeves come Tuesday? The task force has said this would be a coordinated effort using data to determine who is in the most vulnerable positions. For this shipment, it's healthcare professionals, including those working at the hard-hit long-term care homes, first on the list.
What we're starting with is moving those healthcare workers and the essential visitors from those long-term care homes to the vaccination sites. And as one of the doctors said to me, by doing that alone, we'll improve the protection of the residents in that long-term care home by 90+%.
The shipment to Ontario is a relatively small delivery, and Pfizer's vaccine is delicate in nature. It can't be moved around. The province is expecting a total of 90,000 doses of this vaccine by the end of December.
We will expand to a total of 14 hospitals across Ontario, focused really in the red zones, the lockdown zones, and the zones where we are having significant challenges containing COVID-19.
But Ontario is also banking on receiving between 35,000 to 85,000 doses of a vaccine that has not yet been approved by Health Canada, believing the feds are just days away from giving Moderna the green light. This vaccine is key, with the province saying it will be going to those in long-term care homes. Asked about the black market, the province's vaccine task force saying security assessments have been completed, considering physical and cyber security measures, and they have taken each and every precaution.
This vaccine is liquid gold at this point. We are getting a very limited supply, and we wanted to make sure that we had done our due diligence to ensure that the sites were ready, protected.
The Premier, though, reminding Ontarians the battle against COVID-19 has not yet been won.
The situation is still very, very serious. We're still battling the second wave.
And the province says they have been doing dry runs, practicing to receive this vaccine, adding that they have planned out and tested the routes to both hospitals and from airports. And once the vaccine is here, officials and regulators will monitor the administration of the shot as well as the people receiving it. And this vaccination plan